Hi, I'm Susie Emilie Pillar, and this is one of my crystal singing bowls, Smoky. I'm a sound healer, inner voice facilitator, mentor, and coach, and I facilitate sound bath and ceremonies all over the globe. And I love to travel, and I help people to restore their balance in their bodies through sound healing, through inner voice work, through meditation to embodiment. And I also help them free and find their voice. One of my favorite things in the world is community, and so I'm very grateful that I created a business for myself that allows me to be surrounded by beautiful souls who also looking for transformation on a physical and spiritual level. And if you identify as well as someone with a strong mind, like I did before, my unique way of combining inner voice work and sound healing to tap into your intuition might be the right fit for you. I actually love the Holistic Business Mistressmind with Leticia, and I met Leticia 2 years ago at the Inner Voice Facilitator training with Jess Lively, and since then we've been great friends, and she turned into my business coach as well later on. And at that point when we met, I already had officially a business for 2 years, but I like to say that I officially started having a business when I started working with Leticia in the Holistic Business Mistressmind, which is a big deal because I really love community, and coming together in the Holistic Business Mistressmind has totally changed my business and the way I see life. And it's been pretty mind-blowing because I was very lost and lonely before, and like the Mistress Mind and the community around it helped me to feel connected and supported and have this beautiful group of people around me. And it's just like almost having like work colleagues all over the world, and you can talk to them on the daily on Telegram. There's a Telegram group for everybody, or as well like the calls we have 3 out of 4 in a month, or the small little co-creating groups we do. And so you get to know everybody, and I thrive in community, and so I met so many amazing people through the Mistress Mind, and some of them turned into my clients. So if you are someone who starts out as well and you'd love to be more exposed, it gives you great exposure to amazing people who feel the same way. And some of them turned actually into team members of my team now as well, that are supporting me in my business, and all of them turned into my friends. So it's amazing to have this as a combination, not just for business, just also for your life. And I'm very grateful for these amazing souls that Leticia surrounds herself and attracts through the Holistic Business Mistress Mind, and that creates these wonderful times for you as well. I joined 2 rounds of the Mistress Mind in 2021. I'm very excited for the change into a 12-month program in 2022, and I can't envision my life and my business without them anymore. And yeah, like I chose it mainly for the community as well. It was very beneficial for me to have people around me, have these accountability buddies around me. And so yeah, I have some amazing celebrations to share that I didn't even think they were possible. So that one of the big ones, where there's a whole podcast episode about that you can listen to on Leticia's podcast, is me realizing that I have a valid business through the Mistress Mind. I do have a valid business, and it is valid in any way because I make it my own way, and then that's also how you see your own work. And so it's very important to realize that not all these, like, everybody can define their own way of success. And so my successes this year was I had the highest financially year in 2021. I was the most successful. My first year that was very successful in business. I served my clients in one-on-one and in group settings. I started my first 6-week group program that was very successful. It's actually ending today when I record this video. So I'm very grateful for that. I would have not been able to do this without the support and the love that comes from the Mistress Mind community and Leticia. Like I said, I hired multiple team members to support me in different fields of my business who are supporting with social media and my own growth. I allowed myself to hire like health coaches, and so all of this is wonderful. And I'm also supporting my two biggest inspirations in business, Leticia and Jez Lively, with their communities as a coach. So I love, as a manifesting generator, to do so many different things. And so, yeah, so that's one of the things in the assessment for the Holistic Business Mistress Mind. You do these fun personality tests. And so I love human design, and I found out so much about myself from human design. I'm a manifesting generator. I'm a 2/4 profile. I am also a rebel in the 4 tendencies, which made a lot of sense because I tend to first like question everything and rebel against everything. And so I want to also tell you that if you're someone who's like, I want to do it my own way and I don't want to do it the other way, it's still great to go and have support from the Mistress Mind, because Leticia has this unique way of knowing everybody's designs and tendencies and all these things, and then knows how to support you best. So if you are someone who's like, I want to forge my own way and I need to do it my own way, she's a wonderful coach and supporter for you. And if you are someone who needs someone who gives you the structure and gives you all the things, she's the same person for that as well. She's a beautiful overall being for these things. So if you're an independent business owner and you want to do business your way, but you still want support and community, I highly, highly recommend the Holistic Business Mistress Mind with Leticia Ringe. Lots of love from me and Smokey.